how to cancel a Cash App payment or get a refund. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to cancel a Cash App payment or request a refund. First, open the Cash App mobile application, as shown here. You will land on the home page of the app. Next, go to the bottom menu, where there are several navigation options. From those options, tap on the one labeled Activity. It's this icon here. You will now be taken to the activity page of Cash App. Here, you will see a list of recent transactions and activities on your account. From those, check the pending section and look for the payment you want to cancel. If the payment is listed as pending, tap on it. You'll be taken to a page with detailed information about that payment. To cancel it, tap on the option labeled Cancel Payment. After tapping on it, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure about your action. If you are, tap OK to confirm. However, if the payment has already gone through and is not in the pending section, then follow these steps to request a refund instead. First, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, you'll see several options for managing your account settings. Now, scroll down carefully. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Once you reach the bottom of the screen, tap on the option labeled Support. Please wait for the page to finish loading. This is the Cash App support page, where you'll find solutions to common issues. Scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on the Chat option under the Contact US section. Make sure you're still following the tutorial carefully. Now you're in the Cash App support chat area. Here you can directly message the support team and explain the issue, whether it's about a mistaken payment or a refund request. Make sure your explanation is clear and detailed. You can also use the message I've written here as a reference. Finally, send the message and give the support team some time to respond. They will reply with a solution or next steps. Thanks. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is, how to cancel a Cash App payment or get a refund.